Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Gibbs free energy is a measure of the spontaneity of a reaction. If it's negative, the reaction is spontaneous at a given temperature. And if it's positive, it's not spontaneous, okay? They have to give you three data. The enthalpy, the entropy. The enthalpy is if the reaction is exothermic or endothermic, if it gives energy or takes energy. The entropy, if it's more or less order or disorder. And the temperature, that has to be in Kelvin, okay? If they give you the temperature in Celsius, you have to add 273, okay? And here you have the formula. I always try to put things in tables to make you easy to do things, okay? So here you have a table with the formula, okay? And the only thing you gotta do is to put the data that I give you in the other table here. The enthalpy should be in joules. Sometimes they give you the enthalpy in kilojoules. You have to multiply by 1,000 to get joules. Then you subtract the temperature in Kelvin times the entropy, okay? And you just only have to subtract. You can use a calculator, use yourself. I told you that you can use Google Calculator, but I show you one calculator, a better one, that is RealCalc. There's an app called RealCalc that is pretty much like a real calculator, a scientific calculator. But for this, you can use your cell calculator, okay? So you can do it like, you can see there, you can use a calculator on your phone, okay? And here you have a negative number. If it's negative, the reaction is spontaneous at this temperature, okay? Most reactions grow to be more spontaneous as you put up the temperature, okay? With more temperature, you get more spontaneous reaction, okay? Because temperature is a measure of the movement of the molecules. If the molecules move more, they are more able to connect, to react, and to make the reaction, okay? So now you can do the rest. It's pretty much the same, just one calculation, and that's